Okay, in this lesson I want to go over case statements and the importance of indentation. So right here I have a case statement that Google actually gives to their employees when they're teaching Python, and the case statement reads as following. It's called the Doughnuts case statement. And the rules are: given an integer count of a number of donuts, return a string of the form numbers of donuts count, where count is the number passed in. However, if the count is 10 or more, then use the word many instead of the actual count. So donuts 5 returns number of donuts 5, and donuts 23 returns the number of donuts equal to many. So to begin the case statement, we first need to define donuts. So we'll start like this. Define, so DEF, define donuts, count, and now you'll see that Python is giving me 3 dots, meaning, okay, this code is still open. Anything that you type in will revolve around defining donut. So to start a case statement, it's usually use an if command. So you could type if count is less than 10, colon, and now it's throwing me an error because I didn't actually indent. Python is very strict on indenting when defining same code. So if you have a case statement, you have to indent accordingly. So let's go ahead and actually exit out because I did this incorrectly. Clear it, and let's call Python again. Call out the define donuts count, just to be consistent. Okay, good. 3 dots means the case statement is open and we can start coding for it. So now what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to go space space if count is less than 10. Okay, good. Now when I hit return, it gave me 3 dots again, meaning the code is still open. Now every time you put a colon, you have to indent 1 line further. And by 1 line further, I mean 2 spaces, an extra 2 spaces. So 1, 2 to get to the if statement, and then another 2 to tell Python that we're still in the same code, same line of code. So space again, and now we're going to say when it's less than 10, print number of donuts, and then I'm going to add plus the string of the count. Now if you want to know why I'm adding str in front of the count, visit lesson 3 and I go over that there. Over the count and hit enter. Good. Still in the case statement. Now I'm giving it space space else colon space 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 return. No, let's do print number of donuts many, like so. Now if I hit enter and enter again, you'll see that now that I get the arrows, meaning okay, I've officially closed this case statement. Now I can call out donuts. So I can say, let's see if this will work. Donuts equals 5. So it's telling me number of donuts is 5. Wonderful. Our case statement's working so far. Now let's say I say number of, donuts is 11. Okay, number of donuts is many. So now we see that the case statement worked. And just again to highlight the importance of indentation, Google defines the proper way of indenting as 2 spaces, while Python actually considers 4 spaces the correct method, but it's up to your discretion. So that concludes this lesson and the importance of indentation in case statements. And if you have any questions, leave comments below. Thank you.